Bakugan, see Bakugan. New Bakugans! That guy, that man. Oh, and my favorite is Bakugan of all.
I thought you bought your favorite Bakugan today.
I know, but else this is my most favorite.
How many are there?
There's 3. Oh! And they're also the big kind.
Yay. No, there's more. Wait, Tane. Don't put it down there.
Bakugan cards. Now this time.
There's more.
The white Bakugan, double-sided. He's the same Bakugan I have, just a different color. He's supposed to be the double-sided. But people don't know how to do those. This is the best Bakugan. These cards will
Okay. She can do it.
I like this Bakugan, Mama.
Okay.
Good Bakugan, good Bakugan.
How many do you have now?
8, 9, 10. I have 13.
Wow.
Okay, open this one.
Whoa. Whoa. What is it? What is this?
It allows you to play video games like Nintendo Y. Shake it to play video games on the computer.
It's like the Wii stick.
Yeah.